Hey guys, it's me, Sunday Funday AM 2010. I got a Sunday bike Funday AM. This is a bike check. I got a Sunday seat clamp. I got a Sunday stem. I got Odyssey team grips. This bike is actually 98% stock because I put some clear brake pads, and the rest is pretty much stock. This is my second day I have this bike. I really like it. I'll be showing you how much they squeak, so I hope you like it, I guess. And if you don't, well, I don't give a shit. And here is my hub sound. Oh shit. I don't know if these are unsealed bearings or sealed. I would like to know why does when you force on the crank